Everybody have fun this week?
Yeah.
All right. What was the most fun part? Soldering? Everybody likes soldering? SeaPerch? SeaPerch is pretty cool. I came by this morning and had a chance to drive somebody's SeaPerch. That's pretty cool. I didn't get to pick up any cones or anything like that, but really cool stuff. Anybody like the skimmer? Yeah? Okay, cool stuff. You being here and investing your time, spending your summertime here to do this kind of stuff is really, really important. Really, really important because we need engineers in Marine Corps Systems Command in the future to build stuff for our Marines, our Navy, and even the rest of industry around the world, doing medical supplies, all sorts of cool stuff. From Marine Corps Systems Command, we invest and we have our engineers here, our staff, and the school, the teachers support this because we do need you in the future to help us build stuff for our Marines. The stuff you did this week was SeaPerch. We do something almost exactly the same in the Marine Corps Systems Command called Leon right now. It's a robot, goes underwater and finds and disarms mines. So it makes the area safe for our Marines and our ships to go in. So everything you're doing here really does apply to what we do at Marine Corps Systems Command. It supports the Marine Corps and supports the Navy. You can apply all of those things you've learned, your soldering skills, your computer programming skills, your electronic skills, your building skills. You can apply it to whatever you want to do in the future, whether it is working at Marine Corps Systems Command. You can do anything you want using those skills that you worked on this week. So like I said, thank you for your time. Thank you for all of you who supported and made this possible.